update day. Today I'll be giving you an update on our home renovation project. Hey DIY family, and welcome back to our channel Hacked by Banks. I'm Sasha and Rory isn't with me today, but for those of you who are new here, we are a Jamaican couple based in Jamaica and we're renovating our fixer-upper in Jamaica. On this channel we share with you all of the lessons that we have learned along the way. We give you tips, all the goodies. If we have any information that will help you, we share that as well. So we have quite a few videos on construction and internals and decor, you name it. Once it's home related, we have it here for you. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, welcome back to our channel. All right, so I'm gonna really want to talk too long in this introduction, guys. I'm so happy you're here and I'm very excited to show you where we are in our project. We're trying to complete our primary bedroom in only 8 weeks, but based on some of the things that we have to do, like tiling and drywalling, we're also working on the primary bathroom as well as a 5th bedroom and bathroom. Now we're 3 weeks into the 8 weeks of completing the bedroom, and guys, honestly, I don't really feel like we reached that far, but we're still working to complete in the 8 weeks. So all right, enough talking. Let's go and do the walkthrough. Are you ready? Let's go. We are now in the master bedroom, or the primary suite as we want to call it. This room was already here. If you haven't seen our previous videos, then you can go ahead and check it out. But we made some modifications to this room. For example, the door, which was right above the staircase, if you can see right there, we decided to move it, place it where we can have more privacy, so everybody coming up the steps don't see directly into our bedroom. For this room, we're doing quite a bit of work. We are putting in some recessed lighting in the ceilings and some other types of lighting. So we'll have perimeter lighting, or what I like to call ambient lighting, right around the room. We'll have some recessed lights. We're considering doing pendant lights for the side lights or sconces. We're not 100% sure exactly what we're doing, but we're going to be doing a feature wall for our headboard, and we are also going to be building a bed. I hear somebody coming up. Look at that. Hi, Royal. Right, so we're going to be building a platform bed for this space. So we have started by framing up the wall areas here and here. We have to put in electrical now. That's where we are. So before we can close the walls and the ceiling, and if you look, we have a little design here where we want to have that section a little bit lower than this section. So yeah, and we're going to be putting in a ceiling fan. The ceiling got quite a bit of damage during our addition from trying to find electrical work, and also because we had to remove a wall, and this wall is not level, if you can see. Hi, Royal. This wall isn't level, so yeah, we have a lot of little things that we didn't feel like fixing, and so we said let's just cover it and do something fun. And putting up drywall will give us the flexibility of putting in additional lighting without having to dig the concrete. We do have an entire video on framing and putting up drywall. Well, it's 2 videos, so you can go and check that out. All right, so the last time we did this tour, wow, this wasn't complete. So this is now going to be the doorway to our closet, and this is the closet right here. It's full of drywall now, which we are going to be putting in the ceilings and on the wall in the master bedroom pretty soon. But yeah, this is going to be the closet. We got these windows custom made from Supreme Windows because we wanted to get special type of windows where we have the privacy but we still get the light, and we can open it to get breeze if we want that, but not the standard window. They're called awning windows, so when you open them they actually go out like this out and up, and not like the regular casement. All right, so we are going into the bathroom, and yes guys, we did all of this drywall work ourselves. Just to give you a tour, now that it's separated, this is how we expect to lay out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and Rory, I ordered a niche and Rory delivered a niche. Trust me, Rory is awesome. And again, we have the same windows in here, but double because it's bigger, and the niche that we're putting in is the same size as the windows. So from a layout perspective, this is going to be the shower, and it's pretty big. It is 5 feet wide. Rory wanted to get a very big shower, and he got that. So that's the shower area. This area is the vanity. It's going to be a double vanity. Can't really see it now based on all of the things that are in here. No, something is happening around here. Hello, sir. What you doing in here? What's your trouble in? Go down and change your clothes. Go. Mommy, we're going in the van, so you have to change your clothes. Go. Fiend is waiting on you. Go. Go and come back. Go change your clothes and come back. Go. Run. No. Stop. Good heading. Nice. Go change your clothes and so we can go on the road. Alright guys, so this is going to be the double vanity. The draftsman that actually helped us to get the plans done recommended a window in the vanity, and I love the idea. We're still going to put sconce or I don't know, light in here. I haven't even looked at those yet, but we'll have quite a bit of lighting in here. So we have light over the vanity, we have a main light in the bathroom, and this area is going to be, well, it was supposed to be a water closet, but we decided not to put a door there because it turned out to be pretty tight. But we do have light in here as well, and we are putting in a vent too. We requested a charging area, so we'll be creating that. The plug is already there for that, and yeah, we have the glass, the shower glass already. This is recycled, guy. Well, not recycled, upcycled. It's not new, but we're going to be using it in here. And this is where we are with this space. So the next time you see the space, it should be tiled. The tilers should have been here this week, but something came up and they weren't able to make it. But as soon as I come, you know, I'll have all of that tiling information in a video for you. Because there's going to be a tub here, we have a cement board and then moisture board for the rest of the bathroom area except for the top, and we're using regular drywall boards here. So yeah, it's pretty interesting and fun stuff. And what we want to do also is we want to do a video on comparing the cost of putting up a drywall versus a concrete wall and the flexibility that drywall provides you. So this bedroom, fifth bedroom, is off the laundry room. When we thought about it, it was supposed to be like a helper's quarters. However, this bedroom, I believe, is too big to be considered a helper's quarters. It can be a mother-in-law suite or an adult child's room, and it has its own bathroom and closet. So let me show you what it is. Yeah, it turned out really bigger than I expected it to. So window was here before and we removed the window, and I asked Rory to frame it in a way where I can use this area as a, I don't know, shelving or whatever. So that's why it looks like this. But remember, it was a part of outside before. This is the bedroom, and we tiled it late last year. We have just installed the drywall in this space to separate the bedroom from the bathroom. Now this bedroom is about 11 by 11. Bear in mind, no closet is going to come out of that space, so it's just pure bedroom space. It's storage now, but we'll get to fixing it up real soon, right? As soon as we finish plastering this wall and tiling the bathroom. So let's go into the bathroom and we'll see what the closet is going to look like. So this part is the bathroom. This is going to be the shower area, and to the left you can see the concrete board and the moisture board that we use on this side. It's a pretty big shower, I would say. It's a standing shower. It's 4x3, so it's good space. And the toilet is going to go right beside it, as well as the vanity. Now on this side we have about a 3 foot deep, or is it 2.5 feet deep closet area, which will be built into the bathroom and separated by some doors. And we'll put in shelving and possibly drawers and thing in there. So this is, as I said, it's a pretty big space. I may stop calling it helpers quarters because it's a pretty functional room. It can also act as a guest room. So yeah, this is coming along quite well. All right, so that's where we are. Follow along week to week. We give you an update on the bedroom to let you know where we are with that space. Cannot wait to complete it so that I can finally